seems to be on a halt, up 217.28%. The stock is showing an immense amount of strength within a longer term bullish to neutral trend. It has just gone neutral with this huge spike. I think it's on a halt. You can see nothing is changing, even on the no data here. Yeah, it's they've halted it. Yeah, it has a low float as well, so you can imagine the sort of things that's going to be happening here. You expect a plunge when market opens, when they release it. Intraday high here 25.89. Yeah, it's crazy. Let's listen to what's going on.
Quoin Pharmaceuticals QNRX is back in the spotlight after announcing a securities purchase agreement with new healthcare focused institutional investors, with the potential to raise up to $104.5 million in proceeds. This development has sparked a surge in community chatter, amplifying the excitement around the stock's low float and potential setup for a major breakout. Many traders are comparing QNRX's setup to other recent low float biotech runners, pointing to its strong momentum and the possibility of a short squeeze if buying pressure intensifies. Bullish sentiment is also supported by optimism surrounding the company's treatment pipeline, particularly its clinical progress targeting rare dermatological conditions like Netherton Syndrome and pediatric peeling skin syndrome, areas with significant unmet medical need. However, not all market participants are convinced. A more cautious segment of the community warns that the fundraising round could lead to dilution, and some are pointing to the company's past price history as a sign to remain alert. This split sentiment underscores QNRX's current status as a high risk, high reward trade, where strong catalysts and speculative momentum collide.
Okay, so while we wait for the halt to go away, we'll see what we have here. Yeah, as I indicated earlier on, this bearish trend has now it has been reversed. It has destabilized. It has brought it to a halt. Yeah, if you like. And then we have extrapolations saying that it's going to remain bullish up till Tuesday the 14th, remain strong up till Tuesday the 14th. Then we may have a contraction going all the way towards Friday the 17th. Then the uptrend may resume and cycle to the upside up till Thursday the 6th of November. No guarantee that this will be the case. Yeah, no guarantee at all. The stock has a history of volatility, I think, if you like. I think, yeah. Okay, no upper projections currently. 12.23 is a downward projection from current levels. So, given all that we have right now, everything is strongly bullish. But for some reason, yeah, short sellers, profit takers are here as well. You can see that these two derivatives are fractional. Yeah, this is quite fractional, given what's going on. Yeah, let's have a look at the 4 hour charts. We're waiting for the halt to go away. Let's see what we have. Still holding. They want to hold it. They're holding this halt. No, they're not giving up. They want it to be depressed before before they let go. Yeah, see, it's short, most certainly halted. This is the 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. 227. The base of the trend mode is from 0.25. This is almost 1000x. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what's going to happen. We can apply the market grid on its 1 hour chart to give us possible perspective, possible upward projections, the range that it can possibly trade, given what's going on right now. But expect a plunge by the time the halt goes away. Let's have a look and see market grid. Yeah, it hasn't reacted yet, so we'll go to the. Let's look at the 10 minute. This that just shows you this happened. It happened in this regular session, not in the pre-market session. Yeah, that's why it's everybody's participating. Yeah, it has gone away. Look at that. Crazy stuff. 290, just huge, jumped by, added another 20%, and I think they're still holding it anyway. This is not even, you see, the 10-minute chart. This is a very short time frame chart. It should have reacted, but it's not. It's just tells you how fresh this is. You see, I think even this. So yeah, okay. Well, this has just happened now. It has added another 20%. So we are in we can't really see what the algos are saying in terms of upper projections, but we can calculate and see. We can calculate and see what we can get out of it. Let me remove this. We can calculate and find out what we can get out of it. So we have 32.18, and then you have here down here 8.08, 8.25. So we have almost, let's see what we'll have there, 24, 24. Okay, that will be 23.93. 23.93. Yeah, 23.93. Let's see. Yeah, we're still halted. We're still halted. Still halted. 23.93 multiplied by 1.618. We have 38.71. You add that to, let me make a note of what I'm having, what I'm getting. 38.72. 38.72. We add that to the current price of 32.18. We have 70.90. 70.90. What are the odds of that happening? Okay, we'll try again. 38.72 multiplied by 2.618. We have 101.37. Add that to 32.18. We have 133.5. 133.55. What are the odds of that happening? What are the odds of it adding more than 100% gain from, because 70.90 is over 100% from current levels. Yeah, over 100%. Yeah. What are the odds of that happening? Okay, what we can do is have a look at the maybe the 1 minute chart. Let's see whether we can find. Yeah, okay. Let's moderate our projections. So we'll have this. So we take this. Will give us 32.18 minus 28.53. That will give us 5. Okay, let's see. Let's do 0.18 minus 28.53. Yeah. So we have 3.65. A lot more moderated. A lot more moderated. Okay, so we have 3.65 multiplied by 1.618. We have 5.9. We add that to 32.18. We have 38.09. Okay, 38.09. I think that's realistic. That can happen. Okay, so 3.65 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to 32.18. We have 41.74. 41.74. Okay, I think that's also doable as well. Okay, 3.65 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 13.21, add that to 32.18. So we have 45.39. Yeah. So and they even go further. We can try again. 3.65 multiplied by 4.618. We have 16.86. Add to 32.18. We have 49. Add that to 32.18. We have 81. Is that correct? Hold on. No. 3.618. So 3.618 multiplied by 3.65. We have 13. Okay, add that to 32.18. We have 40. Yeah, we've done that from 5.39. Okay, so we are trying the next level, next Fibonacci level. 4.618 multiplied by 3.65. We have 16.86. Add that to 32.18. We have 49.3, 49.04. Okay, so let's try the fifth Fibonacci extension level. So 5.618 multiplied by 3.65, we have 20.51. Add that to 32.18. We have $52, 52.69. Yeah, and that's getting closer to the 70.90 we got earlier on. Well, so the modest projections we have from current levels, we have 38.09, 41.74, 45.39, 49.04, 52.69, and then the more ambitious one, 70.90, 133.55. Indeed, also there's also a downward projection we saw earlier on, all the way down to $12 or thereabout. Yeah, so it's halted, surely halted. Yeah, nothing is here. Halted. Let's see what we have. Halts. Let's see. Yeah, trade halts. Yeah, let's see what we have. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Look at it there. Look at it there. Yeah, reason LUDP. I don't know what that is. Volatility trading pulse. Yeah. Okay. Volatility trading pulse. Q. That's it. One, two, three, four halts so far. Oh, five, five, six. Yeah. So yeah, it started. It started in the regular session. That's when the news broke. Yeah. How long can we still wait? How long can we still wait for this halt? Okay, let's see whether these charts have reacted. Yeah, let's see. Well, we're going to see the market greed. It hasn't reacted yet. No reaction yet. Okay, because no data is going through, so that's why it has paused. It's paused on these charts. Nothing's going through. I don't expect this 10-minute chart to be active as well. No, nothing. Yeah. 294%. Yeah, huge gain. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with right now. So our projections, I think we have to add the downward projection here of $12. What do we have? We have here 8.32. So down projection of 8.32. I think on the daily chart we saw, let's see what we have here. We saw here 12.23. Okay, so and on top of that, we now have those ambitious projections of 38.09, 41.74, 45.39, 49.04, 52.69, 70.90, and 133.55. Yeah, it has the potential to print all of these prices, including the downward projections. So just have a look, and I'll definitely come back and see if I can update you on QNRX. Thank you very much for watching this video.